Robert. Today I'm at Columbus, Ohio, and I'll be sharing some amazing Somali food experience. And also, this video is going to be about giveaway. So I'd like to, thank and appreciate all the support that you've been showing me for the whole entire year. So pretty much I came up with a very creative idea to make sure that I'm being a little bit more inclusive. So essentially what it means is that the first 10 people that happen to comment on this video and happen to receive 10 likes on their comments will receive a $10 gift card. Either you can get like an e-gift card, or if you're in the US, I'll be able to send you a $10 cash app. Thank you again for your support, for the love, and keep sharing the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel so that we can do even more amazing videos outside the US. Let's go have some Somali food, and I'll be eating everything at a Somali restaurant. Alright guys, I'm back at the most iconic restaurant here in Columbus, Ohio. This is African Paradise. It's a Somali restaurant. It's one of my favorite spots for Somali food. The food is amazing. It's very tasty, very fresh. The service as well is just like up there. These are the lunch hours, so I'll be eating everything that they have on their lunch menu. Alright, so the food just got here, and I do have an amazing guest here, and his name is Ahmed. So he's the owner of African Paradise, and he's going to tell us a little bit about
My name is Ahmed. I'm owner of the African Paradise Restaurant. African Paradise Restaurant existing since in 1997. Yeah, I take over this business 2014. We're serving a lot of food, especially East African food.
Okay.
This is it's called the rice, curry rice. It's pasta. This is called chicken strip. This is called chicken legs, fish salmon, goat, beef steak, beef cubes, chicken cubes. This one is called the Falfal, that's Somali. This is boiled meat.
And tell me a little bit about your food and your spices. Do you get your spices from Somali?
Usually we use it spicy, but mostly that's secret.
Oh,
So
it's a secret ingredient.
yeah, when I tell anybody.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much, Ahmed. So I'm gonna try the food, and I'll also share the whole. Something else that I forgot to mention is that if you happen to want to come to African Paradise and try their food, I do have a special going on right now with African Paradise as in a discount. So probably you're just gonna mention the name Secondment, and then you'll be able to receive $2 off. All right, so just like what Ahmed mentioned, we do have some Somali rice with some French fries. We do have some Somali pasta right there. It looks hella good. Here we do have some chicken strips, chicken leg. We do have some fish, and here we do have some steak, and here we do have some goat, and here we do have some beef cubes and chicken cubes, and here is a falafel. So this is like an amazing Somali soup with some onions, lime, and big chunks of. So Ahmed just brought me something new here, which I've never tried. So this is called KK. I believe it's chapati, Somali chapati with some chicken, onions, cilantro, and some veggies like green beans, some corn. Oh man, I can't wait to dig in. All right, so I guess to start this Somali food experience here of me eating everything at African Paradise, I think I'll start with my rice. It looks good and it's hot. I'm gonna use my hands So again, as I mentioned before, when you're in Rome, you do like the Romans, and this is the perfect, description of the phrase. Oh, first bite. Cheers. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Wow. Man, I'm not kidding. The rice, oh my. It's so full of flavors, so well cooked, and I can't get enough of this. Ah, man. Ooh. I'm telling you, like the flavors that I'm getting out of this rice, you can definitely like eat this rice just by itself without any soup or any sauce. Oh man, this is top notch. Grab maybe a chicken leg here, so a chicken thigh, and chase it with the rice. My goodness, it's very tender, very juicy. You know, it just like falls off the bone. It doesn't get better than that. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna turn my plate because I do have all these huge plates. I'm gonna turn my plate and I'm gonna try some Somali spaghetti. As you can see it looks good. This is the one. This is the one. And what I like about this spaghetti is that it doesn't have a lot of tomatoes, because I know like some people don't like tomato sauce, so it just like have a little hint of tomatoes. It does have some Somali spices. I can taste some cinnamon, a little bit of cumin, and the cilantro here, and the onions just puts this spaghetti on a different category. And here, I do have a chicken strip, so I think I'm gonna try the chicken strip. Very good, very good. The chicken steak is tender. As you can see it, you can break it with your fingers. It does have a perfect blend of masala, some sort of masala here, like red masala. I like the combination of like the ginger, cumins, garlic. And I think I'm gonna chase it with a little bit of some rice. So on my list, I think I'll go with a fish. And actually, I'll be honest, I'll tell you, this is my first time trying a fish here at African Paradise. And it's a big chunk of fish, and I believe this is salmon. So let's go ahead and break it and try it. Big chunk here. Again, some Somali masala, and it smells really good. So yeah, first bite. Actually, it's really good. Really good. I like it that it's juicy. You can see it. It's tender, soft. Perfect blend of spices in there. It makes it, very appetizing. All right, I'm gonna chase it with some rice. Cheers. I almost forgot my banana. Eating your Somali food, gotta have your banana. So I'm gonna break it open. Gonna break my banana. Very good. It's sweet. It's not too soft, so I like that. Next on my list, I think I'm gonna go with these strips of steak. You can see like they're thinly sliced. They look pretty awesome. Did you have like a perfect combination of like ginger, garlic, and very soft, juicy too. You can see the juice coming out of it. Mix it with my pasta. I'm already getting full. This is a lot of food. My next option here will be some beef steak. Let's grab a big chunk of that. I like the onions. They're caramelized. And like these ones here, they're aren't cooked, so they're very crunchy. And when they burst in your mouth, oh man. Let's try some chicken steak here. So I'm gonna grab a big chunk of that too. Here it is. It's just like a competition of flavors inside your mouth. You just want to make you ask for a job here at African Paradise so that you can eat these kind of food each and every day. So yeah, next on my list, it's gonna be some goat. It's a big chunk of roasted goat, if you can see it. Very juicy. Cheers. Tender, juicy, a little bit salty. There goes your African Paradise goat. Perfect. I'm gonna grab my banana too. Want to mix it all up. Perfect combination. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put my baked plates on the side. So next on my list will be this one here. Again, this is called kalanka. The beef, well actually it's a chicken kalanka, or KK. So essentially what it is, it's some pieces of Somali chapati. It's cut into pieces and then, you know, it get mixed together with the chicken, the veggies like your green beans, your onions, your peas, your corn, and then it becomes a meal. So yeah, and I've never tried this, so let me try it and I'll let you know how it tastes. That's amazing. The chapati, it's very soft. I like the way it kind of like mashed up with the chicken and all these veggies. It kind of like tastes like a lasagna. I think I'm gonna put some a little bit of lime. Then I'm gonna grab like an onion, some chapati, some chicken. I'm so full right now. Perfect. So I think I'll put that on the side. And then here's the big boy. I would say like this is one of my favorite soup. It's called falafel. You do have some goat broth, some onions, cilantro, lime. Oh man, this is my favorite. Let me give it a shot. Take a look at that. The broth, this soup is very hearty, very rich. Goat flavor all the way. And I'm gonna try to find like a big chunk of goat in here. Oh yeah, this is the perfect one. Yeah, okay, probably maybe this one here. Yeah. So yeah, take a look at that. so soft, juicy, tender. My goodness. I gotta close my eyes first. I feel like I'm in heaven right now. Finger looking good. Finger looking good. Finger licking good. Somali food. Gonna grab another one here. Just have some bones. Oh man, I've got some juices on my beard. I'm gonna mix it a little bit, like take a little bit of the soup here. I'm gonna put like a little bit of rice on the side. Take a little bit of falafel soup. Mix it with my rice. Grab a little piece of goat. Put it right there. Break it. Mash it up. Voila. Mix it with a little bit with some French fries. This is genius. You seen it here first. That African Paradise, my genius in mixing up some Somali food. This has been an amazing experience. Never been disappointed with African Paradise food. I'm loving every inch, every step of my experience here. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Please consider subscribing so that we can have more power and more resources to do even more better, amazing videos. As I mentioned before, this is a giveaway video. I have a very inclusive opportunity to give out $10 Amazon gift cards to 10 first commenters on the video. If you happen to comment a video, comment anything nice about the video, comment anything good about the video. If you happen to receive 10 likes on your comment, you receive either a $10 or a $10 e-gift card for Amazon. Again, as I mentioned before, Ahmed has been so nice that he agreed to give a $2 discount for anyone that visits African Paradise and mentions my name. So please, if you are in Columbus or if you happen to visit Columbus, check out African Paradise and get your $2 off your menu. Thank you again for supporting the channel. Thank you for watching. And again, I'll see you on the next one. And stay safe and be good out there. And if you're asking yourself, what am I gonna do with all this food? Just I'm gonna have to pack up some of the food here and take it with me home. And I think I have a whole entire lunch, dinner, breakfast for the rest of the week. Thank you again for your support. Be safe and take care.